Hi, Jacob. This will be some Milestone 2 video feedback for you. I hope you're doing well, and you certainly are doing well in the class. If you have any questions or if you need anything, any clarification from me, don't hesitate to text or email. Jacob, I really enjoyed your screenshots, and I get to see how you created the type, how you knocked out the background, added some 3 dimensions to it too. I like it at this point. I'm not sure it'd be necessary to add the 3D effects, but totally up to you. I like that you letter space the caps, and then you were testing out typefaces here. So I'm assuming that this is Arial, corporate typeface. This is a nice script. You can use something other than Arial. I mean, this, for example, this is great. Arial for this, script for that little tag there. So appreciate your documentation. What does it look like on purple? Nice visual exploration. And then you've added some of the other visual assets. It's also really extensive too, so that's great. I just wanted to acknowledge that, and it ends here on the timeline where I can see that you're starting to build your animation. Maybe just a short running narrative, maybe a sentence in between each of these screenshots explaining what they are, and then add some comments about the print process of this, and I think you'll be well on your way to your final reflection. Jacob, too, this is really improved. It has a lighter touch to it, too. Seems better organized. The silhouette of the equipment here, maybe you could have it extend up into the beach a little bit. And I think it might be better to have this flush left rather than centered. Maybe flush left on this vertical axis so that, the days would be flush left here. You could enlarge the silhouette of the medical equipment to extend up into the image. And staggering these is nice. I think that looks good. The corners, though, could, poke up or below this beautiful arc that you've got. I like that you created some big general shapes to draw the eye in, and it seems very nicely composed. But don't be afraid of asymmetry, and not everything has to be centered. So here's your Photoshop file, nicely organized, and I see both your layers here, complete with effects, and I see your timeline. So let me back it up to beginning, and let's see how it looks. Nice. Okay, great. A really good start. Keep it simple too. You've paid attention to margins. Good. You've all the comments I made, I think, on your first draft of the print ad, you've observed. So I wanted to say that you listen and you adapt. I think the only thing this needs is contact information. Keep it small, keep it simple. Maybe that could be, contact information could be in a very small line of type, somewhere on the bottom. Think about organizing this field too. It may be thin and narrow, but you can still use a grid to give it some structure. I think that's about it for now, Jacob. You've paid attention to the corporate palette, the corporate typeface. You've used the special type effects to good effect, and I think maybe just with a little bit of refinement and the addition of contact information, it'll be fine. Don't hesitate to contact me if you need any help or extensions in the next couple weeks.